Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit game. First, understand that a biscuit game centers around collecting, trading, or using different types of biscuits as game elements. Players might draw cards representing various flavors, like chocolate chip or shortbread, aiming to complete sets or fulfill orders. The core concept is to create engaging interactions around these delicious treats, making the game both fun and strategic for everyone involved. When designing your biscuit game, begin by outlining the fundamental rules. Decide how players acquire biscuits, whether through drawing, trading, or strategic placement. Think about player interaction. Will it be a race to collect the most, or a collaborative effort? Establish a clear scoring system, perhaps awarding points for completing a set of 5 different biscuit types or for having the most of a particular flavor. This structure forms the backbone of your game. To build your biscuit game, start by gathering your materials. You might use cardstock for 100 biscuit cards, small tokens for special abilities, and a simple game board. Design distinct visuals for each biscuit type, making them appealing and easy to identify. Once your components are ready, playtest the game extensively with a few friends. Observe their interactions and gather feedback to refine the rules and ensure a balanced, enjoyable experience for everyone. To expand your biscuit game, consider introducing new elements over time. You could add expansion packs featuring 10 new biscuit varieties or special event cards that alter gameplay. Develop different game modes, such as a solo challenge where players aim for a high score, or a team-based version. Allowing players to customize their starting hands or unique abilities can also add significant replayability, keeping the game fresh and exciting for countless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.